Welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to do word problems on multiplication. It is very easy. We have already done addition and subtraction problems. Today we are going to do multiplication table problems. In this, multiplication tables are compulsory. I have already given you how to learn your tables, how to make it easy to write the tables and learn them now. Okay. Now today we are going to have multiplication. For multiplication, these are the clue words: time multiplied by product of, increased, decreased, factor of, in all, total, double, triple. If these words are coming, means we have to do multiplication. I gave you some clue words for addition and subtraction also. Same way, these are clue words. If these are there, then you come to know that we have to do multiplication. And easiest way is you have you know the less number of things and you want to know about more of those things, then you do the multiplication. Easiest way is simple way to understand. Now today's sum is of page 63, exercise 4.7, number 4. A truck has 6 wheels. How many wheels? One truck has 6 wheels. How many wheels will be required for making 248 trucks? So in one truck there are 6 wheels. Therefore, in 248 trucks, how many wheels will be required? How many wheels will be needed to make those trucks? So first statement, a truck has 6 wheels. Number of trucks are 248. Okay. And number of wheels, one truck has a 6. So number of wheels required will be, we multiply. I'll show you how to multiply. 6 8s are 48, 8 carry 4. This is simple multiplication. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28, 8 carry 2. 6 2s are 12 into 14. So total number of wheels we require is 1488 wheels. Okay. So one truck has 6 wheels. Therefore 248 trucks will have how many wheels? 248 multiplied by 6. This is the easy way. Okay. And to write the statement, you can write it in this way also. And the next sum, I'll show you the other way also. Simple way to write them. Okay. So this is the first sum. Now second sum we come to number 6. A bus carries 56 passengers in one trip. In one trip, how many passengers the bus is carrying? 56. How many passengers are carried in 26 trips? If the bus makes 26 trips, how many passengers will it carry? So what have you to do? We have to multiply. Okay, the total number of passengers they are asking in 26 trips. So you know about one trip that it is 56. So how many? 26 trips, how many people will be carried? So we write the statement, one trip carries 56 passengers. Therefore, these 3 dots stands for therefore. Therefore, 26 trips carry 56 into 26 and we do the multiplication sum. 56 multiplied by 26. 6 6 are 36, 6 carry 3. We have carried over 3. 6 5s are 30 and 3 33. It has come here. The answer is right. Then we put a cross and we multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1. We have carried over here 1. 2 5s are 10 and 1 will be 11. So we wrote down here. Now we add both these numbers. 6 plus nothing is there, so 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 plus nothing is 1 as it is. So how many passengers are there? 1456 passengers will be carried in 26 trips. In one trip 56 passengers. In 26 trips 56 multiplied by 26, that is 1456 passengers will be carried. Okay. Now the next sum we come to. I hope you have understood. If you don't understand, when I come back to school, we will revise once again. Number 9. There are 36 trees in a row. how many trees are there in 96 row? So number of trees in one row is 36. Therefore, number of trees in 96 rows will be 96 multiplied by 36. And we do the sum here. Okay. We know about one row 36 and we have to know about 96 rows how many trees will be there. So very easy it is. Multiplication is very easy. Multiplication problems, they are very easy. Now I'll multiply and show you. 6 6 are 36, 6 carry 3. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57 I have written here. Okay. Then next step we put across and we multiply by 3. 3 6 are 18. 8 carry 1. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is 28. So the second answer is 288. Now we add both. These are the two steps. Okay. So we add. Now 6 plus nothing will be 6. 7 plus 8 will be 15. Carry over 1. 8 plus 6 will be 14. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3456 trees. Here I have written the answer. There are 3456 trees in 96 rows. Is it clear? Okay. Now, one more sum I'll do. I have already sent the assignment for this. You will do these 4 sums in your classwork copy, maths copy. Okay. Now, one more sum. This is sum number 17 of the same exercise. 156 balls are kept in one box. In one box, how many balls are there? 156. How many balls are there in 29 boxes? So, we wrote here one box equal to 156 balls. Therefore, 29 boxes is equal to 156 into 29. And we have done the sum here. 9 6 are 54, 4 carry 5. 9 5s are 45 plus 5 is 50, 0 carry 5. 9 1s are 9 and 5 is 14. I wrote this first step here. For second step, we multiply now by 2. So, we first put a cross under the ones number. So, I have kept a cross. 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1. I have carried over here. I have written in different colors, so it is easy for you to understand. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. So, 1 I wrote here and 1 I carried over here. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So, I wrote, and now we add both these. 4 plus nothing will be 4, 2 plus 0 will be 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5, 3 plus 1 will be 4. So, 4524. There are 4524 balls in 29 boxes. Okay. Now, these 4 sums I have already explained you. I have sent you the assignment already. Just to make the assignment clear, to understand, I have explained you these sums. Please try and do your homework daily. Whatever assignment I am sending you daily, please do. After this, we are going to take the next lesson, division. And that I will be taking step by step, one at a time. Right now, you have to complete this. Then our multiplication problems will also get over. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Be happy. Goodbye. All the best.